In the grand tapestry of life, we all yearn to manifest our dreams into reality. We often focus on the doing, the relentless pursuit, the strategic planning, the tireless hustle. But what if the true key to manifestation lies not in external effort, but in the profound power of an internal state of being? Neville Goddard, a visionary teacher and master of manifestation, believed that gratitude, expressed through the simple yet potent phrase "thank you, Father," is the catalyst that unlocks the boundless abundance of the universe. Neville, born in Barbados in 1905, embarked on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and spiritual exploration. His teachings, rooted in the power of the imagination and the law of assumption, continue to inspire and empower seekers around the world. At the heart of Neville's philosophy lies the understanding that our reality is a projection of our consciousness. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape the world we experience, and gratitude, he taught, is the most potent force for aligning our consciousness with the reality we desire. Thank you, Father, isn't merely a polite expression. It is a sacred acknowledgement, a profound recognition of the fulfillment of your desires even before they materialize in the physical world. It is a declaration of faith, a surrender to the knowing that the universe is already conspiring in your favor. Neville taught that gratitude accelerates manifestation by aligning your consciousness with the state of having already received. When you express gratitude for something you desire, you're no longer in a state of lack or longing. You embody the feeling of already possessing it, and this vibrational shift magnetically draws your desire into your reality. Imagine this. You're yearning for a dream job. Instead of dwelling on the lack of it, you express gratitude. Thank you, Father, for my fulfilling new career. You visualize yourself in that role, feeling the joy, the satisfaction, the excitement as if you're already living it. You imagine the positive impact you're making, the wonderful colleagues you're collaborating with, the sense of purpose and fulfillment you're experiencing. This act of gratitude aligns your vibration with the reality of having that job, making its manifestation inevitable. The law of assumption, a cornerstone of Neville's teachings, states that your assumptions harden into facts. When you assume the feeling of gratitude, you're assuming the reality of your desire fulfilled. You're no longer hoping or wishing, you're claiming it as yours. Let's say you're facing a financial challenge. Instead of succumbing to worry and fear, you express gratitude. Thank you, Father, for my abundant wealth and financial freedom. You feel the relief, the security, the empowerment that comes with financial abundance. You imagine yourself paying off debts, generously giving to causes you care about, and living a life of comfort and ease. This act of gratitude shifts your assumption from scarcity to prosperity, paving the way for its manifestation. Gratitude isn't about denying your current reality or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about finding things to appreciate in the present moment, no matter how small, and shifting your perspective from lack to abundance, from fear to faith. It's about recognizing the blessings that already surround you, even amidst challenges. It's about acknowledging the beauty of a sunrise, the warmth of a smile, the kindness of a stranger. It's about finding joy in the simple things, like a cup of coffee in the morning or a good book on a rainy day. It's about recognizing that even in the midst of challenges, there is always something to be grateful for: your health, your loved ones, your resilience. Gratitude also raises your vibration, transforming you into a magnet for the things you desire. The universe responds to the energy you emit. When you're filled with gratitude, you're radiating a high frequency that attracts more abundance, joy, and fulfillment into your life. Think of it like a radio station. When you tune your dial to a specific frequency, you receive the corresponding broadcast. Similarly, when you vibrate at the frequency of gratitude, you attract experiences that resonate with that same frequency. You become a beacon of positivity, drawing in more of the good things life has to offer. Moreover, gratitude dissolves doubts and fears, those insidious enemies of manifestation. When you're focused on what you're grateful for, there's no room for negativity. You're cultivating a mindset of abundance and trust, which allows your desires to flow effortlessly into your experience. Doubt and fear create resistance, blocking the flow of manifestation. But gratitude acts as a powerful antidote, dissolving these negative emotions and opening the channels for your desires to manifest. When you're grateful, you're saying to the universe, "I trust that you have my best interests at heart. I trust that my desires are already on their way to me." Gratitude also strengthens your faith and trust in the universe. It's an acknowledgement that a higher power is at work, orchestrating events in your favor. This deep sense of trust allows you to let go of control and surrender to the flow of life, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. When you trust in the universe, you release the need to micromanage every aspect of your life. You allow yourself to be guided by a higher wisdom, knowing that you are supported and loved every step of the way. You understand that even the challenges you face are opportunities for growth and learning. So, how can you cultivate this powerful state of gratitude? Neville offered several practices to help us harness the transformative power of gratitude. One simple yet effective practice is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on your blessings and write down 3 things you're grateful for. Include your desires as if they're already manifested. Feel the gratitude as if they are already yours. This practice helps you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, and it trains your mind to recognize and appreciate the abundance that surrounds you. It also helps you to visualize your desires and embody the feeling of having them fulfilled. Another practice is to incorporate the phrase, "Thank you, Father," into your daily routine. Whenever you think of something you desire, silently or aloud, express your gratitude for it as if it's already yours. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life, no matter how big or small. This simple act of acknowledging your desires as already fulfilled sends a powerful message to the universe. It reinforces your belief in the manifestation process and accelerates the realization of your dream. It also helps you to stay focused on the positive and cultivate a mindset of abundance. You can also practice gratitude through visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your desired reality. See it, feel it, experience it as if it's happening right now. Express your gratitude for this reality and let the feeling of joy and fulfillment fill your being. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. By immersing yourself in the feeling of having your desires fulfilled, you create a vibrational match with that reality, attracting it into your life. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the stronger the energetic imprint you create. Friends, the more you cultivate gratitude, the more natural it becomes, and the more you'll see its transformative power in your life. You'll attract more of what you desire, experience greater joy and fulfillment, and deepen your connection to the divine within you. As Neville Goddard said, gratitude is the open door to abundance. By embracing gratitude, you open yourself to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. You step into a life of joy, fulfillment, and limitless potential. So, dear friends, embrace the power of thank you, Father. Let gratitude be the guiding force in your manifestation journey, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on manifestations, spirituality, numerology, rituals, and the law of attraction. Together, let's create a life filled with abundance, joy, and gratitude. Thank you for watching.